Right now I'm going to show you how to remove a toilet seat with these twist lock caps or install a new one. So whether you want to remove the toilet seat or install it for the first time, you're going to learn it here. So first, to remove it here, if you look on the back here, it's got two icons, an unlock icon and a lock icon. All you have to do is turn it towards the unlock icon. In this case, it's to the left. And then all you have to do is pull up on it and it pops right off. And then you can clean it, do whatever you want, put on a new one, and then it really is as simple as reversing that process to get it back on. You push them down in place, and then you twist and lock them in. Now let's see if you want to install one for the first time. Now if you're installing it for the first time, you're going to get two of these bolts and then two of these nuts. Of course, this one's already in place here, but you would just simply pop it into place for the first time and then screw this piece on the bottom beneath, and then you just need a screwdriver, and you can use a flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver, and you can really tighten these into place. The nice thing about these lids is that they do not wobble as much as other toilet seats. You can really lock these in nice and tight. These pieces just go on top here. You press down, get them in place. Toilet seat goes down. Then simply lock them in place. So there you go. A reason that I really like these twist lock caps is because it does lock this toilet seat in much better than other styles. So this toilet seat does not wobble like other ones I've had in the past. Hopefully that was helpful. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.